Welcome back to this channel. This is another question that I want us to look at together. Solution. This square root, I can easily write it as a power of half in this form. I have 2 raised to power x minus 1 into 1 over 2 plus 2 raised to power x minus 3 into 1 over 2 is equals to 12. Someone raised a comment on one of my videos that if you have a raised to power bx is not equals to a raised to power b into x. This is powers. You are multiplying this with this to get what you want to get. Let's say for instance you have 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by 3. We have 2 raised to power 2 into 3. If you do this 2 squared, that's going to give you 4 raised to power 3, which is equals to 4. And what is 4 raised to power 3? That is 64. Let's check this. 2 raised to power 2 times 3, that is 6. 2 raised to power 6 will still give you 64. So the rule is right. Alright, let's go back to our question. We have 2 raised to power x minus 1 all over 2 plus 2 raised to power x minus 3 all over 2 then is equals to 12. Don't forget, I've done this type of question, probably video before this video that you are watching now. Whenever you come across this type of question, all you just have to do is find a way that you are going to make this something like this or make this something like this. Between minus 1 and minus 3, which one is the biggest? Minus 1. So minus 1, you are going to pick this minus 3 from minus 1. How are you now going to do it? This is the way. I want to work with this x minus 3. That you want to pick this x minus 3 from x minus 1. It's going to be x minus 3 plus 2. So because if you say that minus 3 plus 2 is going to give you minus 1. So from here, you just have it to be 2 raised to power x minus 3 plus 2 divided by 2. Then plus 2 raised to power x minus 3 divided by 2 is equals to 12. So from this place, split this. Is only x minus 3 that I want to work on. So split this into this fraction. We have 2 raised to power x minus 3 divided by 2 plus 2 divided by 2. Then we have plus 2 raised to power x minus 3 divided by 2 is equals to 12. This 2 we cancel this 2 is going to be 1. So we have 2 raised to power x minus 3 divided by 2 plus 1 plus 2 raised to power x minus 3 divided by 2 is equals to 12. From this place, don't forget, whenever we are having addition, that simply means we have 1, 2 that's raised to power 1. You can split this in this format. We have 2 raised to power x minus 3 divided by 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power 1. Then plus 2 raised to power x minus 3 divided by 2 is equals to 12. We now have 2 raised to power x minus 3 here. We have 2 raised to power x minus 3 divided by 2 as a fraction here. So factorize it out. We are going to have 2 raised to power x minus 3 divided by 2 into, when we pick this out, it's going to remain 2 raised to power 1. So we have 2 plus, we have already picked this one out. It's going to remain 1. So we have 1 here is equals to 12. So we have 2 raised to power x minus 3 divided by 2 into 2 plus 1, that is 3, is equals to 12. So divide throughout by 3. If we divide throughout by 3, this cancel this. We have 2 raised to power x minus 3 divided by 2 is equals to 3 divided by 12 is going to give you 4. So from this place, I believe you can just check it, but let's solve it together. So we have 2 raised to power x minus 3 divided by 2 is equals to, what is 4? That is 2 squared. So you have 2 squared. Base are equal, equate the power. You have x minus 3 divided by 2 is equals to 2. You cross multiply. If we cross multiply this, you multiply this. We have x minus 3 is equals to 2 multiplied by 2. That is 4. Collect the like term. Your x will now be 4 plus 3. Because this is minus. When it moves to the other side, it's going to turn to positive. So we have x to be 7. Thank you very much. If you have any question related to this, you can drop it on the comment section. We'll look into it together.